Guys, you know what I hate? I hate when you go somewhere and then you meet people that you've met in a different like place for a different reason, but then you're in the same clothes that these people saw you in, and then in your head you're like, oh my gosh, do they think that I only have this? Do they think that I only wear this? Do they think that this is like my Sunday best? I hate that. I hate that. So today I'm gonna show you guys how to have value for your money, for your clothes, and for like you can wear your clothes in different occasions, the same attire, but make it look better and make it look different. Okay guys, value for your clothes, value for your money. Hey guys, my name is Heinduta. Welcome to my YouTube channel. The first clothing item I have is this button-down shirt. Now, if you have watched any of my try-on hauls, you know that I really love button-down shirts because they make you look professional and grown up and just classy and chic. So, unaweza kuenda place alafu ukavai button shirt hivi, si ndio? Now, you don't have to always wear it like this. Like, they saw you like this. Now, let me show you a different way that you can do it. Yeah? So, hack number 1, when you make sure it's buttoned down, and then just put it like that. Okay? Like that. Actually, I don't have specs. Let me just wear them because I usually cannot fucking see. Okay? Do you see how elevated this look is? Like it went from looking shabby to looking shabby chic. Period. Like it looks so elegant, it looks chic. It looks like you're trying but you're not trying too much. Like, you know, like rich girl, like girl about her business. I love it. I love it. Now the second way you can dress this is, I know you guys are very conversant with this style. Like you just tie your shirt like that. Okay, wait. First of all, make sure that you have buttoned your shirt. Okay? And then tie it like this. So I know you guys are very conversant with this style. The problem with this style or this hack is that yes, it gives you the cinched waist, the nini, you just look nice. But if you're in a car or like umepanda boda unaenda kushuka unapata ishaanza kutokana alafu unaanza kukaa hivi. You don't want to look like this, you guys. You don't. It's not appealing at all. You want it to look tight, right? So what you do, you take this one, the one that is above, the loop above, and then you put it inside one of the loops or the holes created by the buttons, and then you put it inside, and there you have it. Let me tell you, this is so secure. Like it will not move. You will not end up with a baggy shirt, which is what you were trying to avoid by tying it. All right guys, another hack that I'm going to show you using this so that you can elevate it even more is, so you have your shirt like this, but you don't want to do the tying method, you don't want to do the shabby chic one. You want it to look like it's, you know, it's tucked in. So what you could do is you take it, you make sure that you have buttoned up to like halfway, and then you cross it like that. Okay? And this one works when you have fitted trousers. I do not have fitted trousers. Thanks to Goli Gummies, all my trousers are now baggy. But if you have fitted trousers, just put it in like that, and then put it in like that. Ooh. And there you have it. It looks nice. It looks like a different shirt. It doesn't look like the same shirt. And I love how, like, I don't know, I love that it looks like a different design. Like it looks like, you know those shirts that have designs on them, like it was tailor-made like this. I love that it looks like that. Here's how it looks like on the back. It's just a normal shirt. So there you have it. I have showed you, I think three ways that you could wear a shirt. You have worn your t-shirt like this and it obviously does not look good. Also, first of all, this is not a paid like advert for Tasca. God, when, but it's not any of that. I just love this shirt. Anyway, so you have your shirt like this, but it looks baggy. It makes you look bummy and unkempt. So what you could do to elevate this look is, first of all, you could try the tie method. Now for the tie method, you do not want to tie your shirt like this because it spoils the quality of the shirt. What you could do is take your what is this called? Your hairband, and just simply tie it around the shirt like that, and then leave like a loop like that, and then just scrunch it up and just tuck it into the hair tie, and there you have it. It is tied, but it is so secure. Like, this will not come off, as opposed to you tying it with your hands, and also it will not spoil the quality of the shirt. The second way of elevating this shirt, already looking like this, just take this part. I know that a lot of people already know this, but it actually makes a difference, okay guys? And just do this. Now, can you see the difference? Like, this looks like more slimming than this. This looks unkempt. Period. It actually looks unkempt. This looks really nice, okay? Okay, now the other hack that you could do with a shirt is, you probably want it to look cinched but not using the front tie. Just tie it at the back, like that, and then just tie it. And you want to repeat what we did on the front when tying it to the back, which I will not repeat, but you get the idea. Now I look cinched in, I look like, walk like a coke, what is it? Walk like an IG model.
Like an IG model, walk with a waddle, body shaped like a Coke bottle.
You know, I honestly have no idea how that song is sung. The idea, like, you look snatched. Ooh, yes. I love this hack. This is one of my favorites, alright? The other hack that you could do with this shirt is, this needs a bra, but I don't wear a bra ever. I'm not a bra person. Where is my hair today? So what you could do is, you take your shirt and then you just tuck it into your bra. I'm not wearing a bra, I'm wearing like a top inside. You just tuck it into your bra, and this is how it's supposed to look like. So it will look like a crop top when it's not really a crop top. So it gives you the cinched glass look, the cinched waist look, and it looks really, really nice. I really love crop tops. So the fact that you can change your normal shirt into a crop top, yes, I love it, taking it. Yes. The other way is, you know, when you're tucking in your shirts and it just looks like, let me show you how you guys tuck in your shirts kwa kwa streets. Mnataki hivi shati inakaa tu, and then inabaki hapa. It just looks very unappealing. So how you could tie in your shirt is, tuck in your shirt is, just do it like this, crisscross it like this, and then put that in, and then just go in like that. And this looks so much better because it looks like sophisticated and chic. And please do not forget to tuck in, let me call it tucking in your sleeves. To do it more neater than I. And do you see the difference? Okay, let's go to the next hack. The next hack involves this big, love this, what do we call it? A sweatshirt, yeah? So in this cold weather, sweatshirts are so important because they're warm and they're fuzzy and they're cute, and they really look nice actually, if you can sell them well. If you're walking in town like this, umevaa sweatshirt alafu ni ndefu inafika huku karibu na magoti. Like, first of all, this is so unappealing. Baby, you need to boss up. This is so unappealing. Or like, umeamua, hainitoshi vizuri and I like it big, so I'm just going to do like this. This does not look good. So the first way you could make this look good is, again, with our hair ties, we need 2 hair ties. I will come here at the end of the sweater, tie a little loop like that. Oh wow, I tied in. Oh wow, oh gosh. It's a disaster. Okay, so tie a small loop like that, and then you come here, tie another small loop like that. Okay, you see how small they are, and then you just tuck in that part. Just tuck in that part, and then let it fall like that. And you see, this is better than whatever tucking in method you are doing. Like this works more better than you just folding it in and just going about your business. Why? Because this at least will not toka. Like, haitatoka tu ukienda wapi. You don't want to do the haitatoka. Like, you will just remain like you have a cinched in waist. I love this. The other method that I love to do is I love to tuck it in inside my trousers. And I know that every time you're tucking it inside your trousers, inaenda pingikika hivi. This is this is how it looks. Like over here you look like you're bulging. Let me show you how to fix that. So just do that, okay? Like you're about to fold it. And then put in only this part, like ile part ya chini kabisa, okay? Not the whole thing. And then let it fall. And then you can even leave the behind like that. And it also just looks like a croppy sweatshirt. I really love this because you can even let it fall and it looks very shabby chic. I love it, love it, love it. The other way that you could do this is if you have a bra on, which again, I do not wear those things. Oh, I don't. Sorry if you are a bra wearer. I feel like for me, for my small thingies, for my small tatas, I don't need them. Anyway, so if you have a bra, just put it inside your bra strap like that and then just let it fall. Now, I do not have a bra, so this will just itaanguka hata nikienda anywhere because this is what I have on. But if you had a bra, so you just put it in the straps and you just let it fall like that. And it looks really nice. Even now, when I don't even have a bra, it actually looks very appealing and nice. Yes. Okay guys, so these are the hacks that every girl needs to know, and I'm gonna come in with more hacks. So if you are up to watching such kind of videos, give your girl a thumbs up, comment what you like most, or if you have other hacks that I do not know about and you'd like to share them with me and my audience, feel free to do so in the comments. Also subscribe if you haven't. I love you all. Bye guys.